You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Canadian actress, and she has a very French sounding name, so we're gonna have to look at the French pronunciation, the way it be said in French speaking Canada, and how you can easily say it in English. So Charlotte Lebon is the French pronunciation here. Charlotte Lebon, Charlotte Lebon. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, let's suggest you say it as Charlotte Lebon. Charlotte Lebon, from French, Charlotte Lebon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.